Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can add a QR code to your Wix website. At first we are going to generate a QR code. For that, just open a new tab and here search for QR code generator. Now we are going to use this GoQR.me, this site. Just click on this and then here you can type any text or any link. For example, I am going to type a domain name, and on the right side here you can see embed. You can download it, you can embed it. So I am going to embed it. Click on this embed. So we can resize this. You can change the size 150 pixel width and height, and then we can change the background color from here. It's currently white. You can change anything. So leave it white, and foreground color, this is black. You can change it from here, keep it black. After that, here you can see two options. One is link for inserting text, email and instant messaging. This is for instant messaging and email text, and this is for HTML code. So we are going to copy this link. Just copy the code, right click and copy. Now go back our Wix website and here search for HTML, and we are going to use this. Just click on this, and then on the left side here you can see embed HTML. Just click on this. Now paste the link, click on update, and our QR code successfully added in our website. And you can customize it, you can position it, you can place it anywhere. So this is how you can add a QR code to your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.